Hey everyone, this is Jesco from Game Dev Made Easy. I wanted to talk a bit about the game I am developing for release on PC initially, and then to port for the Nintendo Switch. While I'm not going to go into the story of the game, I do want to touch on a bit of what to expect for this game. First things first, as we can tell from my channel, I have worked with many different game engines, and I had to make a choice on which one I wanted to use for this game. I decided to go with CryEngine. The reason for this is that it happens to be my favorite game engine and forces me to use C++. This game is meant to be a homage to comedy horror and horror movies and games I have played or watched throughout my life. You can expect to play between two characters, have different clothing choices between them, loads of funny or scared commentary from them, various weapons, which includes those that are on the absurd side. This game will be a love letter to other comedy horror games that exist, like Zombies Ate My Neighbors, Dead Rising, and Lollipop Chainsaw. Not only is it a love letter, but I've also pulled inspiration from them. As we can see in this video, I have a single weapon with limited ammo and not much going on in the game world besides being able to move and shoot in the two different camera perspectives. I am not very far into development, however, I just wanted all of you to see and hear about this game that is in development with the tentative release of fall 2022. That's all for now. Just go out.